Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So it's pretty obvious that the daily time frame has turned down, and this could even turn into a very significant move to the downside on like the daily, weekly time frame. So I am definitely looking for sorts. I am definitely looking for sorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. I mean, I think that personally, this is actually going to go up to maybe the 50% before it makes a short, but I definitely am not taking that as a long. I would much prefer to just wait for the short opportunity because when the market is down, you may go down to these short time frames and come up for a reason to go long, and then because the trend is down, it just keeps dropping and dropping and dropping. So I am definitely looking for shorts, but I am definitely waiting for more of a proper three-way pullback in order to go short, maybe up to like the 50 or the 61%, making a proper ABC shape. So hopefully that's how it plays out. But if it doesn't play out like that, that's fine also because we should be looking for shorts every single chance we get, even if it does just keep on going down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.